Hi, I'm Josh Davey with Davey Coach, and this is another one of our how-to reference videos we wanted to take the time to put together for you. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to operate my wheelchair lift. So this is a very popular model of bus body that we sell. It's an Elkhart Coach wheelchair-equipped vehicle. It's a non-CDL configuration. And if I'm the driver, I'm up in the cab area, and I need to know how to work the wheelchair lift. So we've got a couple of toggle switches here on the control panel. The vehicle's running right now. Very important, we have the vehicle in park. That's the first thing we want to do. There's an interlock switch here, and then we've also got an intermotive interlock system. It's kind of a visual light bar panel that tells us what's going on up here. Is the parking brake set? That's one step that we've got to make sure we have in place. The light goes on for parking brake, the vehicle's in park, and we want to flip this switch to turn the interlock on and send power back to our wheelchair lift. Once we've done those three things, put the vehicle in park, turn the interlock switch, and set the parking brake, now we have power going back to our wheelchair lift. Let's jump back there real quick and see what steps we take next. All right, we were just inside the bus. We've got our parking brake set, we've got our vehicle in park, and we've got the interlock switch flipped. Now if we look down here on the wheelchair lift itself, there's a lift power on and off toggle switch, and there's a green light next to it. If we don't turn the power switch on, we've got power going to the lift, it won't transfer through that little module here and actually go to the lift. So now that we've got that lift on, we're going to take this wand pendant. We can unfold the wheelchair lift. We want to stand clear, hold the cord clear. Lift comes down to ground level with the interior floor of the bus. From there we go down. Sometimes we get questions on, can I adjust the speed of my wheelchair lift? Can I make it go down faster? Can I make it go up faster? It's not an amusement park ride, it's a wheelchair lift. These things are regulated. They have to go up and down at a certain rate of speed for the wheelchair passenger in order for them to be safe. We've got the kick plates been deployed here. We wheel our wheelchair occupant up onto that. Very important that I, as the attendant, do not ride that platform up with the passenger. We also sell a model of seat belt that goes from here to here. It is not tied into the electronics in any way, but it can give a little bit more of a secure feeling to the rider of the wheelchair lift platform when they're going up and into the bus. This is now all the way up, and we are going to hit the fold button, and we are going to fold the wheelchair lift back up into the bus after we've got our rider off of it. That's not a good way to get our rider into the bus, is the roll them in method there. We want to stay away from that. So unfold, down, up, and fold. Those are the four controls that we go through on this pendant. Put this back here, turn our power switch off, close the doors, and we are on down the road to the next stop. Thanks for watching our how to operate my wheelchair lift video, and check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.